game. Let's see who can cook the best food. Let's do a food challenge. Sure, I'm up. Let us go on. So what's first, Alex? French fries. Easy peasy. I've made these 100 times already. Oops, I don't know, but I'll give it a try. Hey, I'm too small. I can use magic. Haha, I'm bigger than you. No fair. No magic allowed. Alex, I'm so small. Fine, only magic for cooking. Not size. Well, you can keep your size, Alison. Good, let's do this. The cooking's almost done. Then you can come, Alison. Great. My fries are ready. Your turn, Alison. Aw, what a cute pan you have. Thank you. Oh my fries are burning. What? This can't be. Phew. Alison, your fries were only slightly burned. Your fries are okay. Alex can still eat them. Here, Alex. Sister Alison, your fries are okay. Now Sister Ashley time. Sister Ashley, your fries are delicious. But Sister Alison's fries are delicious too. I guess I choose both of you. It's fine, I guess. Next challenge is burger. Did you just say burger? I love burger. Make it for me. Can I eat some too? If only I leave pieces. Ashley, can I cook first? Of course, I'm using magic anyway. Yay! My burger is almost ready. Finally got the burger. Now let's put it in together. Me too. Ooh, that looks delicious. Here's my burger. Ooh, tasty. Delicious. Sorry, I did not left for you. Oh, man. Ooh. Sister Ashley, sorry to say, but Sister Allie is the winner. It's okay, I can do better next time. Next challenge is soup. Guys, I sense something bad is gonna happen. Oh, what possibly could happen? Now you get it? Something like this. Somebody help us. Someone help us! Help us! Guys, I think there's Wayne shouting. We need to think about another method. What about magic? I'm trying, but it won't work. Oh, I guess we'll have to wait for Mommy or Daddy. Yeah, I guess. Kids, you must be hungry. Let me cook you some food. What in the world is that? Mom, can you hear us? Alison, yes, I can. Do you need help? Yes, we do, Mom. Yeah. Mom, we're sorry we cooked without you. Next time, just tell me when you need help. Okay, I'll make better food for you now. Hey guys, please like, share, and subscribe. It gives me more motivation to create more videos. Thank you very much.